What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click on the red subscribe button. Today, guys, I'll be teaching you crypto arbitrage, and I'm going to show you how you are going to be able to buy cryptocurrency from one exchange platform to another and make your profits within 10 to 30 minutes without or with very minimal risk. I would recommend you stick with me till the end of this video so you can understand the whole process that is involved. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Waterfred1 and I teach this about arbitrage, buying and selling of e-currencies, fiat currencies, and reselling them back to make profits legitimately online. Without wasting further time, let me go right onto my computer screen and let me show you exactly how I do this. So the first thing we are going to do right now is to head over to this website called coinmarketcap.com. So once it loads up, please sign into your account. From here, I've created an account and I've signed in. So once you sign into your account, what you're going to do is you come here and search for a cryptocurrency that you want to trade. I will recommend you go for cryptocurrencies that have low transfer fees from one wallet to another. Cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Tron, just search for cryptocurrency with the lowest fees and then make your choice. So for today, I'll be using Litecoin. So I'll search Litecoin here, and then I click on Litecoin, and then it loads up. Once it loads up, just scroll down and then click on market. I recommend you log on to this CoinMarketCap from a laptop, from a PC, because on the phone you're not going to get very deep details, wonderful, like all the details very well. So once you click on market and you see a lot of things displayed, the next thing you are going to do is what? Come to this place that is written pair and then pair it against USDT. Click it and pair against USDT. You can see all the data are now loaded up. You can now see. Yeah, you can now see. Now the next thing you are going to do is what? Sort it by the price. Yes, you want to sort by price. Click on price. You can now see that the highest, the people that are selling the highest, the ones that are selling the highest will now pop up and to be arranged like that, just going down. You understand what I mean?
Business or Daka. My mama tell me, say, Waterfred follow who no road, because if you follow who no road, you go suffer so tey you go tire, you go waka so tey you go tire.
You don't have to be greedy about this. Yes, you don't have to be greedy about this. You have to make sure that whenever the major requirement to tell you are the ones to buy from and exchange to is make sure at least that the liquidity is not zero. Make sure that the liquidity is not reading zero. Anyone that you see the liquidity like this, no, don't go for it. Make sure that liquidity is not zero. Okay, that's one. Then make sure that the confidence level is not low. Okay, the confidence level should not be low. If it's moderate, it's fine. If it's high, it's fine. Okay, so now, and then make sure too that any place you see 0.00, just avoid those ones. I don't like. I personally, some people might still go for it, but I personally don't like the ones that have zero. Any place I see zero, like volume or low confidence or liquidity zero, I just run, or anything like dash like this, I just leave that one alone. I like going for the ones that have slight price differences. I will not like to go for this one that has 100.33 dollars for the price when the rest are selling for 55.68, because it takes just a couple of hours and then the prices on several exchanges are going to catch up with themselves. You get, so this guy, they may not have caught up with the price, they may not have been recent with the current price, so if they want to drop it down, it may go even lower than the ones, but these ones that are quite closer to themselves, look at this 56.882. okay, this guy has that, so I'll avoid it. Now look at this guy that has 55.02 and something like this 54.32, something like that, just a difference of about few cents or 80 cents or so, just almost about $1 or less than $1, a little bit less than $1. I would love something like that. Then you can push in money, good capital, say about 100,000 naira, and then you do your arbitrage. Now the major requirements I will let you to know in this, you can see there are several exchanges. The more you're going down, you see the price is getting cheaper and getting cheaper, and almost same price. You can see now look at this guy selling 53.66, and then if you go up very well. You can see someone selling at 55, you know what I mean, or buying at 55. Yeah. So now the thing is, for you to do this arbitrage successfully, you have to sign up on a lot of these apps. You're going to sign up on most of these cryptocurrency apps, and of course most of them are on Play Store verified, and we know most of them. Go Bit Pro, CCS.io, Bit Global, we know most of them. Of course, from the beginning, you're going to have USDT ready, because you can get your USDT. You get your USDT on Binance or any other place, and make sure you have USDT ready, so that once you see the price here, you transfer USDT from any exchange platform that you have your USDT to the ones that are cheaper. You get what I mean? Let's say you have USDT on Binance, you can just transfer USDT to this cat.ex. Now guys, pay attention here. When you have USDT in the platform that has lower exchange, that is selling lower, you trade USDT to LTC. You convert that your USDT to Litecoin, and then send that Litecoin from the platform of lower exchange to the platform that has higher exchange, LTC to LTC. And now you now have LTC at the higher exchange. Then you convert it again to USDT. That way your USDT is going to become higher, and then you sell and make your profits. Now guys, I will have to let you know that there are some requirements I would like you to take note of before you start doing this. Now the first thing I would like you to know is that you are going to sign up, just like I said before, on several of these exchange platforms. You're going to sign up, and at least make sure you have at least 10 of them, apart from Binance. At least 10 of them. Choose at least 10 of them, sign up on each of them. Then the second point is, please make sure you do KYC. Make sure you verify your account with your international passport or your driver's license. Verify yourself to the highest level that you can verify, because if you're not verified, you may not be allowed to transfer your money out or withdraw your money or do whatever transaction. Don't just sign up and start putting money aside. Verify yourself. Yeah, that's number 2. And then number 3, this is not an update you do with 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira or 30,000 naira. Make sure you have at least $150 and above. You get what I mean? $150 and above. If you want to calculate, let's say 150 times the current rate is about 690 as we speak, as of today on Binance. So make sure, as I said, you need at least 100,000 naira to do this. 100,000 and above, 150, 200. The reason why you need a capital of at least 100,000 naira is because on some of these platforms, they have minimum withdrawal that you can make. And when you're transferring from one wallet to another, there may be charges. So, but when you have enough capital, it will cover up for all those stuff, and you will be able to make profit. And this is actually unlimited, guys. These are just for the fast guys that wish to trade today, make their money instantly within 1 or 2 hours, and then bounce out. So I promised an extra tip for those that watch to this point. So what we are going to do now is let's just do it again. We come here, we search for Litecoin, just like we did before, and then it loads up. Scroll down, click on market. Okay, now when you click on market and then we pair it via USDT like we did earlier, then the next thing you're going to do, like I said before, you sort by price. When you sort by price, come again and then sort by volume. Yeah, when you sort by volume, you see that Binance will be number 1. And then you can compare all your prices or anything you are doing with Binance. That means you don't need 3 exchanges, you just need Binance and one other one. So now, when you now scroll down, Binance is selling at 53.98. When we scroll down, you're already seeing 54. Okay, but let's just scroll down and look for better ones. I don't usually go for prices that are too much in the difference, but you can if you want to. But for me, I prefer to go for something like, let's just scroll down a bit more. Look at this guy. This is 68.91. Okay, and if you look, we don't have 0 in any of the points. You see? Yeah. So look at this Virtus exchange. This Virtus exchange is 68.91 with Binance. So this one, Binance selling exchanging at 53.98. So when you have USDT in Binance, you can trade it for LTC and then transfer LTC to this Virtus exchange. Yeah, where is it again? Yeah, to this Virtus exchange. And when it comes here as LTC, trade it again as USDT, and then you see that your USDT is going to increase way more than the amount that came in from Binance. Then you can send back to Binance and make your profit.
If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not enjoy this one, smash this like twice and tell me why in the comment section. And make sure you share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and other social media platforms so that other people too will gain value from the videos that I share online. I will also recommend that you do your own proper research before you invest in any videos that you see online, including this one, because I am not your financial advisor. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.